Hi, this is a video to show you how to clean the Dyson V6, and it's the same whether it's the V6 Animal, the Fluffy, Total Clean, the Absolute or even the normal V6. So let's get going. First of all, what you'll need to do is obviously take it apart. So take the wand off and we'll put that to the side for the moment. So the next thing to show you is the filter, which is actually located on the top here. If you just pull that out, and basically this is washable, so if you just rinse it under warm water, and give that a really good rinse, and once it's done, then just leave it for around 24 hours, just so it's fully dry before you put it back in the machine. Okay, so the next thing we do is to actually empty the bin, and I always recommend having some newspaper to hand, so it's easy to clear up afterwards. So you press that, obviously get as much of the dirt out as you can, and once you've done that, if you carry on pressing the button, then it actually helps to release the bin. And it can be a bit fiddly, but that's how you get the front of the bin off. So again, with this, it is all washable, so I'd recommend again, give it a good rinse under warm water. Okay, I won't do it fully now, but that gives you an idea. So for the next bit, what we recommend is having a paintbrush to hand, and because you'll see around the seals here you can get quite a lot of dirt, so you just want to try and clear that. There we go. Now for this next bit, this can be quite fiddly, so you normally either need a small screwdriver or possibly a knife, but be really careful. And what we want to try and do is to remove this bit. So to start off, to try and get a screwdriver in there, and what you want to try and do is there's lots of little clips around here, and you just want to try and remove this top plastic part. So just be really careful. If you just work your way around. Right, so that's all of the clips undone, and basically if you just remove that part, and this shows you how dirty it can actually get inside. And really the best thing for this, you can take it apart using some very small Tourette screws, but at the moment all we'll do is just get the paintbrush and just dust it down, because really to sort of generally clean it, that's as much as you need to do. Okay, so all I've done around there is I've given it a good brush round, and I've just used a damp microfiber cloth just to wipe all in here and to wipe around the seal as well, because that can help just to get it clean. So really the next part to clean is this. That's what we removed earlier. Again, just rinse it under warm water. And then once you're done, same as the filter in the bin, just let it dry before you put it back together. So that's that part really done. So if we put that to the side for now, and we'll show you how to clean the tools. This is the main head that you'd normally use, and as you can see in here, there's quite a lot of hairs and it can get quite mucky over time. So to start off with, if you get a coin or a screwdriver, just put in there. So just undo that, and then that lifts up. Put that to the side, and you've got a lot more access in here now. But really the main thing is to just undo this. That just twists, that pulls out, and then you can pull the brush out. So, dead easy. So with this part, even though you can't really wash it, all we'd normally do is, again, just get a damp microfiber cloth and just wipe all in here, and just wipe over the top here. And with the brush, best thing is just to go along, pick all the hairs off. So once you've given it a clean up, then it should look a lot better. And the first thing to do is to get the brush, so look for that end, and then put that in the side. Just locate it there. And again, if you get that piece and twist it, and then just get your screwdriver and do it back up so it clicks, and then get that part, and that will just locate in the end there, and then just get the screwdriver again and just twist, and then that's all done. So once all of these parts are dry, then we're ready to put the machine back together. So what you want to do is to get this piece. Now if you look for that section, that wants to match up with here, and again it's a bit of a knack to get it all back together, but you just need to be patient with it and push it back so they all clip around the edge. That's it. So if you just have a look, make sure they all line up around the side. So the next thing is to put the bin back on, and the key to it here is if you locate the clip at the front. So that's it, just put it in there and then push it back, and if you just push it up from the bottom like that, and it will lock into place. And then once you've done that and just check that the filter is completely dry, then that goes in there. I hope you found that useful on how to clean the Dyson V6 vacuum cleaners. Thanks for watching. Hi, this is a video to show you how to clean the Dyson V6, and it's the same whether it's the V6 Animal, the Fluffy, Total Clean, the Absolute, or even the normal V6. So let's get going. First of all, what you'll need to do is obviously take it apart. So take the wand off, and we'll put that to the side for the moment. So the next thing to show you is the filter, which is actually located on the top here. If you just pull that out, and basically this is washable, so if you just rinse it under warm water,